Do you want to unhide likes on Instagram? You can unhide like count on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unhide like counts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal line menu at the top right of the screen. A settings menu will appear with different options. Scroll down to the What You See section and tap on Like and Share Count. A new screen will appear. Simply turn off the toggle switch next to Hide Like and Share Counts. Now, the like and share counts will be visible on all your posts. If you want to show likes on a specific post, go to your profile and navigate to the post where you want to unhide the like count. Once the post is open, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post. A pop-up menu will appear. From the menu, select the option to unhide like count. Now, the number of likes on that specific post will be visible to everyone.